36 is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While course in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving, or smoking. If your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your afforded undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Tracy Davis, ticket number Z808498. Count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Colleen Soroka, Tracy Davis.
I'm sorry?
Let the lawyer say their name first, then you say your name, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, Ms. Rowe.
Colleen Soroka, on behalf of Tracy Davis.
Ms. Davis.
Hi, this is Tracy Davis.
Your Honor, I did the opportunity to discuss this matter with my client. There is no recommendation today. My client's entering a plea of not guilty, asking for a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, I do. I understand.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
I understand.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for February 13th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, so does that mean I need to resume with you?
Yes, it'll be here on Zoom.
All right. February 3rd, will I get a notice, ma'am?
Probably not. This is your notice.
Oh my. Can I grab a pen to write down my date?
Sure.
Thank you. I know your time is really valuable.
Fine.
I should have prepared. I didn't know. I know. Just a moment, please. Okay, I'm ready. Right. Oh, I have one. Thank you, Judge. Let's see.
Fine. You're welcome. But
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
it's February 13th at 9 o'clock.
9 a.m. Okay, so I should just report to you at that time. At this courtroom?
Same Zoom number, ma'am.
No, it's going to be on Zoom.
Yes, but, oh, okay, okay. So just,
do the exact same thing you did today. Just zoom in.
all right, so I'm asking you the same room number and everything?
Yes, it's going to be the exact same Zoom ID.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Are you're all set?
I think I have like 2 questions. Consider that the first offense, and I never want to do this again.
You're breaking up, Miss Davis. I can't hear you.
Would the court take into account that this is a first offense and I never want to do this again?
Oh, yeah.
In
you
other
have to
words,
wait
I
till-
have deep remorse.
Yeah, you're Miss Davis. Just wait for your trial, okay?
I'm just a little, okay, thank you so much, I will.
Okay, and Ms. Soroki, I don't see an officer here for Tracy Davis.
She's not set for a trial. She just set it for a trial.
Oh, okay, I see Theodra Davis. Is that who we're talking about, Ms. Soroki?
No, she
Yes.
set for an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Yes, Ms. Horn.
Miss Tracy Davis is an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Okay, but Theodra for Officer Kimber is set for trial because I do see the officer here.
Correct.
Okay, okay, thank you.
You're all set. You're all set, Miss Davis.
Okay, let me talk to him.
Okay, thanks so much. Should I leave?
Yes, you're
Yes.
done. Unless question, you're all set.
Okay, thanks so much for everybody's time.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Welcome. All right, this is the People versus Gregory Daniel, ticket number P13514229, count 1, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names, or good afternoon, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Cowart.
Yes, Yes, Your Honor. Officer Daryl Cowart, badge 807.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Gregory Daniel. Mr. Daniel,
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, it's Gregory Daniel for the record.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to amend this to blockading traffic. I'd stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause as to counts 2 and 3 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's $175 fine, Mr. Daniel. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you pay the $175 by February 3rd?
Yes, I will. But Judge, I got one question. I got a video of this pullover, and that's not the officer that wrote me the ticket. I got a female officer. And I have the video right here in front of me.
Well, that's the officer that's on, that his name is on the ticket, sir.
Ma'am, I'm gonna play the video, and this is the
I don't need to see the video. Did you want to go to trial? I mean, I don't, what do you want to do?
I mean, man, you can't win it. If it's just gonna be $175 to end it, I like to end it, but for the proper proceedings to go along in court, that's not the officer that pulled me over, Judge. I'm just asking for some reasoning here.
Do you want to go to trial, sir?
I thought this was the trial date, ma'am.
Today is, you're right, today is the trial date. If you want to go to trial, we can go to trial today. If you don't want to go to trial and take the offer, you can take the offer, we'll be done.
I would like to do that, but I'm trying to ask you a question on the fact that if that's not the officer there that wrote me the ticket and we're at trial.
Then you go to trial, Mr. Daniel. I mean, I'm giving you your options. You can either go to trial if you're saying, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. If you're saying that this isn't the officer and whatever testimony he's gonna give is not credible testimony, then that's a question of fact. So then at that point, that you should go to trial. If not, then you take the offer. I don't know what to tell you. It's your choice. Do you want to go to trial or do you want to take the offer? Those are your options.
This, you know, because I don't know what's gonna happen if I go to trial. You got a new officer on this case. I go to trial, something else is going to happen, and then they charge me with everything. It just seems like I'm being railroaded and I could buy my way out of it for $175. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to the courts or waste the court's time, ma'am. I just want to get the I want to get these off the dockets and end it as easy as possible. But if I'm not being treated fairly in this case because you know, whatever, I just want to address that and make that be and let that be known to the court. I respect everything that you're saying. I do not want to prolong no more time, but I just want to be treated fairly.
Mr. Daniel, if you want to have a trial, you can have a trial.
Oh my, you know what? I'll just pay the city $175. That's fine. That's fine.
It's up to you. It's up to you, sir. I'm here. So if you want to do the trial, we can do the trial. If you want to make admissions, you can make admissions. It doesn't matter to me. It's your choice.
You know, I don't went through a lot of situations with a city to where I've been railroaded and I'm straight. If I could buy y'all off, if I could buy the city off for $175, I'll go ahead and do that, man.
It would.
I mean, Judge, I truly respect the court system. I respect your authority and everything. If $175 an end, if I am trying to keep my CDL license, keep my insurance down, I'll go ahead and pay it. I mean, I'll pay it. I'm looking up stuff right now. I'll be moving. As soon as I get done, I'll be making a run. I just go make the money. I'm sorry. I don't not want to cause any problem.
Sir, it's a responsible plea. It's not a guilty plea. It's impeding traffic. I explained to you, it does not go on your record. If you want to move forward with that, we can move forward with it.
And this is the prosecutor. I just want to make a statement, just in response to what I see in real life. I know CDL drivers who hire attorneys to do state-to-state work for them, and this is the offer that they get, and they are happy and they're back on the road. I'm just saying, I've seen it in my personal life, you know. So
I'm fine with that, but we gotta. I'm being accused by one officer. I have the full video here of the what's her name. This is the female officer right here that pulled me over. and we have a man in the courtroom claiming a charge against me. That's all I'm saying. This whole case should be thrown out of court. And I asked the judge to dismiss this case. I have a man officer in the courtroom making a charge against me. I have a video of the whole.
If you want to go to trial, you can go to trial. I can't just dismiss it just on GP. If you want to go to trial, we can have a trial. If you want to talk to the prosecutor and she makes that motion, you can do that. I mean, I'm giving you your option, sir.
The prosecutor is here. She hear it. And if she would like to grant that right now, I would be fine with it. If not, I would just move on to the impeding traffic. God to handle it from this point on.
I don't know what that means. What do you want to do?
I just have a question. Officer Cowart, were you on that stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is that your partner that you saw?
Yes, ma'am. That was my partner talking with the defendant.
Okay,
And
thank you.
officer, you know, when you guys left, you guys did not issue me a
Are
ticket.
we having a trial? Are we having a trial? What are we doing? Because it's
You
not like we
know,
having a trial.
Let's plead to the
It's not like we
175.
having a trial. Do I need? I can call this case. We can do a trial. Is that
I
what
am,
we're gonna do?
and please, I take the, what's that, impeding traffic. Let's get
You're
it
pleading
over.
responsible at this time, sir?
We're not on the dash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You're pleading responsible to impeding traffic?
I'll take it. Yes.
Okay, so it's $175 payment due on February 3rd. Can you pay it by then?
Yes.
All right, you're all set, sir. Good luck
And what's
to you.
what's the other officer name that's on the trial on this case?
Officer Cowart,
Can you spell that for me, sir?
Cowart.
First name?
He's the badge. Daryl is the first name. Darrell.
Okay, your badge number?
It's gonna be 807.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, anything further on this matter?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Daniel. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Officer
Okay.
Kohler.
Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day.
Close out the room because we have a lot of officers present for.
Thank you, Officer Cowart. Oh, boy, and you know,
All right, this is the People versus Marquise Rondo, ticket number SP 1183271, count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1283660, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driver license suspended, count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P1220316, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number P1183961, count 1, improper plates, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1184027, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number P1365836, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, improper plates. Ticket number P1333756, count 1, improper plates, count 2, driver license suspended. Count 3, driving register or entitled vehicle, ticket number P1100199, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 818529265, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, improper plate. Ticket number P1151752, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driver license suspended. Ticket number P1317449, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number 197006511, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1161410, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number P1161409, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1225821, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P11439495. Count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver's license never required. Count 3, improper plate. Ticket number P11611410. Count 2, drive while license suspended. And lastly, ticket number P1289947. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record. We're going to start with Officer Mitchell. You're muted, sir. Everyone, can you unmute yourself, please?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Officer Mitchell, badge 2125.
All right, Officer Hall.
Good morning, Your Honor. Police Officer Nicholas Hall, badge 1789.
Clark.
Is that it?
Clark. No.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boyce, badge 2102.
Thank you. Officer Presley.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Presley, badge 3973.
Officer Sergeant Carson.
Sergeant Carson, badge SA27.
Officer Allison.
Officer Allison, badge 4443.
All right, there was an Officer Clark. I don't know if she can hear me. I mean,
Good morning, Officer Clark. Badge number 2022.
all right. Looks like there's an offer. Ms. Soroki, how's your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, I did discuss the offer with my client. At this time, he's waiving the rights, asking the court to adopt it.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Rondo. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? I can't hear you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and just say your name for the record, sir.
Marquise Rondo.
All right, you can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki, the attorney, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Oh, no.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 21st, 2021 at 3:51 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Warren and Connor in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 24th, 2021 at 3:59 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Connor and Christie in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No.
All right, and for the first one. That's right. Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 16, 2021 at 1:38 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Lakeview and Canfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving a 2008 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 3rd, 2021 at 1:55 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Grashton Connor in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No.
Your plates were proper?
No, ma'am.
They were improper?
What kind of car?
2006
2006.
Chevrolet, 2006 blue Chevrolet vehicle. Were the plates proper on that vehicle?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 3rd, 2021 at 1:55 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Connor? I think it's the same
Yes.
day. Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 20th, 2022 at 6:03 p.m. On the date and time, were you at or near Hayes and Rochelle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No, ma'am.
No. See, it's kind of awkward when you say it like that. Were your plates improper on that vehicle, or were they proper?
No. They were improper.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to direct your attention to March 26, 2022 at 7:42 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Eureka at East 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a GMC vehicle?
Can you remember, sir?
No, I wasn't driving.
You weren't driving a GMC tan vehicle?
I was driving it, but I wasn't driving it. It was parked and they pulled it off the grass.
So,
So you had not been driving that vehicle at all?
Yeah, I was driving it, but
Were you driving
I
it around
wasn't
that date
driving
and
it.
time? Were you
Yes.
driving it around that date and time?
Yes.
Was your license suspended when you were driving that vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No.
You say that weird. So the plates were improper, yes or no? Yes, they were improper?
Yes, they were improper.
Okay. And then I'm going to direct your attention to July 30th, 2020 at 2:46 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile and Goldburn in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2001 gold Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
You satisfied, Ms. Shiroki?
you satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend those counts to fail to display an improper plates. You stipulate the probable cause as to the rest of remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, I so stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. All right. So I usually do $200 a ticket. Now you've made admissions to 10 tickets. So what I'll do is I'll do $200 a ticket for 6 of them, and I'll waive the fine for 4 of them.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That would be $1,200. You're still gonna have to pay probably some reinstatement fees to get your license back. And I don't know if you have some civil infractions, but you probably still owe on those as well. But because they're in default. But you gotta at least pay $1,200. Now, normally I would give you a date of February 23rd. Can you have the $1,200 paid by then?
You can try to pay me.
You can do a payment
Yeah.
plan. So here, this is what I'll do. I'll give you till March 24th. You need to at least put 25% down of the $1,200. And then you can get on a payment plan, and then they can give you additional time to pay it. But you gotta come down to the courthouse for that.
Okay.
Any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
So this is the start of you getting your life back together, because you got a lot of tickets. A lot of tickets were dismissed, so make better decisions. You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, officers.
Thank you, officers. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good rest of your day.
Okay, and Ms. Soroki, I need to speak with Officer Kimber. We were having a hard time connecting in the room. Can you hear me, Officer